3, 3, 4. I am walking to my room. 2, 3, 3, 4. So I'm like all the way at the end. Did somebody bring a whole 40-inch TV on a cruise? Wow. Check-in time in your room is at 1:30. Up here is your key, and this is my room number, and this is it. This is how small the door is. And somebody bring a whole 40-inch TV. Okay, guys, let me go check in my room. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. It's the Endless Lifestyle, and on this channel we do travel and lifestyle, and today we are doing a travel video. So it is the first time and the first time only I am on a cruise. So I am on a Carnival cruise ship. So I fly from Chicago this morning to Miami, and then I board the Carnival cruise here in Miami Port. And I am in my room, and we about to do a room tour. Yes, a room tour. So this is just a quick room tour video of a Carnival cruise interior room. And for my cruise, I only paid $289. Don't tell nobody I tell you that, but yes, I want to play that for my cruise. I'm excited. So I'm on the second floor of the cruise, and let's start with the outside, and then I'll show you inside of my room. Let's go. So this is the hallway of my room on the second floor for the interior design. So this is it. And when you come into the room, you see paper right there on the door, which you have your room number and your name and your keys. So right here is my room, and that's the paper. So guys, so when you first walk into the room of a Carnival cruise, this is the door right here. It's a nice little space. And on the door, it has all the emergency information, instruction, the deck, and every single layout. On this side of the cruise, okay. Okay, so this side of the cruise, you have a pillow, I think that is. Then you have an empty space, and then you have a bunch of life vests. So this is one door closet. And on this side, you have another closet where you can hang your stuff, and boom, another blanket. That means I am about to hang my stuff so they don't get wrinkled, because they do not allow iron on a cruise. And here is a mirror, and that's me. Yes, I look like a hot mess. Still got my same clothes on. Doing a room tour before I go out. And here you have the safe, another blanket, and that. Walked in, you have all the closet, and then you have the bathroom on this side. So let's see what the bathroom is alike. Let's go. Over here is your light switch. I guess if the key comes out, those lights turned off, but that's your light switch. And when you come into the bathroom, you have a handle for protection, and you have a safety, you have a shampoo and shower gel, a regular shower. It's not bad. It is spacious to be on a cruiser boat. It is spacious. Here it says, please do not throw. We're gonna test the bed. Test that. Wait, let's see. Let's see. The bed are not bad, guys. They're not bad. I give it a 6 out of 6. It's 10 a little bit. That's why I give it a 6 out of 6, but it's firm. So I like that. I don't like a soft bed. So I give it a 6 out of 6. It's nice. It's comfortable. And guys, if you had watched my El Salvador vlog, the reason why I have 2 beds, my girlfriend Erlene was supposed to join me on this trip, but she missed her flight. She didn't make it. So I'll be cruising solo. And I'll take you guys along the way with me. And I won't be all that solo because all you got.
Please pay attention to the safety information notice and the ship's plans showing escape routes located behind your stateroom door. Please take the time to read all the safety notice and become familiar with the ship's layout, emergency signs, and escape route from your stateroom to your assigned muster station. Additionally, please watch the safety video playing on your stateroom TV and verify that you have enough life jackets for the number of guests in your stateroom. Any guest who has not yet checked in at their assigned muster station must do so at this time. All service will be suspended during the safety briefing. Thank you.
Crew, it's my pleasure to welcome you on board to the beautiful Carnival sunrise. Safety is our highest priority, and I want to recommend everyone about the importance of knowing what to do in event of a real emergency. All guests must complete their self-mastering process before sailing time. I want to thank those who have already completed those important steps. If you have not done as yet, please go now. In a short while, your cruise director will conduct the mandatory safety briefing broadcast, and I urge all of you to pay close attention to this important information that you are about to hear. Thank you, and looking forward to see you during the cruise.
Directions are signs to your muster station. A muster station is where guests gather in case of an emergency and can be identified by a square green and white sign with a symbol showing a family group. If you are in a location away from your stateroom, please go directly to your muster station. Your muster station assignment is noted on the bottom left corner of your sailor sign card, which is also your room key. It is also on the back of your stateroom door. Bring your sailor sign card for accountability purposes. Once you have arrived at your muster station, the crew members will... Ricky Ricardo speaking. This is Felipe, your cruise director, all the way from the navigational bridge here on board the beautiful Carnival Sunrise. And on behalf of your captain, Captain Giuseppe, all his officers, staff, and crew would like to welcome you all to what we know will be the vacation of a lifetime. In fact, as mentioned before, we do need all guests, if you have not yet done so, to proceed at this time. It's going to be the last and final call for all guests who have not yet checked in with your muster station personnel. Please make sure to proceed to your muster station if you haven't done so, and check in. It is mandatory as per international maritime law that you do that before sailing. All team members in the muster stations, please don't leave just yet. Allow a few more minutes so those guests who have not yet completed their e-mustering process so they can do so at this time. But thank you very much, and we are looking forward to see you all on Lido Deck. We're going to have our sail away party by poolside as we say goodbye to Miami and hello to your cruise vacation. I'll see you all out and about. Welcome aboard and bon voyage.